what?
Wow. Hey, give me a clap. Give me a clap. What girl you getting on?
Hey.
Must be rewarded.
You're showing your natural talent.
You want the skin up.
You want your skin up.
No, give him that. Look at this one, is PPM. You give him the crackers.
Whoa, look at the eye. Look at the eye, and the nose turtle.
It's better than
What does the son want his skin up for?
No, no.
What you know?
What are something to my soul? There's something to you. You be so better about behavior.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
He's like, you can't get skin up. Let me blow you. Monkey don't show me something good.
Yeah.
Don't see what so mess up.
You go, yeah?
Yes, we are at the Concord Waterfall, and just taking a look at the monkeys there. And monkeys showing off, of course, trying to show us all the tricks, how good they are. You know, very acrobatic. So, see, whenever you feed them, yeah. See, like, oh, no, he sucks it. He sucks it. He knows how to do it, eh? Don't give them any. These are more the monkeys from originated from North Africa. Yeah.
Oh, they're just sucking on it, yeah.
Oh, yeah, this
Hey,
licking it now, like a lolly.
And I want you that? Hell no. No, that's not too much sense, man. So
What?
you just fail. Take your damn skin and go.
Watch him.
What's the thing called?
So that one's the angry one in there?
That
one they want one too.
That's the main. I love those girls.
When they're ready to make it up, they'll put them together. Look, hey, look, he take it up and put it up. Look.
Don't worry, that will scratch you.
Which one are taking? Put it on the ground. Put it on the edge. Not
Yeah, you don't want to scratch you, so.
They don't have to scratch.
What's it
But
called?
look at the next one, cover. I'm talking about the skin up.
So cool.
Oh gosh, I like them.
I don't know.